Welcome to Pocket Women Lockpicking and Locksport. Today I'm going to do a quick pick Thursday while Betty has a big drink of water in the background. It's been a really hot day here today. I think it topped 42 or something, and that's in the shade. So we've just been staying indoors, resting. If I rest, Betty rests. If I'm busy, Betty's busy. So she needs to be resting, so I'm resting. So yesterday I spent the day in luxury. I was in bed trying to pick every lock that Lockmania had sent me in that parcel package I'd won. I picked 8 of them. Of course I haven't picked the Ruko. I'm going to need some advice on how to pick that Ruko. That's got the 5 pins with the external sleeve around the core that the gin bottles get, that the drivers get hooked up in. I watched Rune International's Ruko school again. I binge watched it and got some good hints and knowledge about the lock and what I was in for. So I knew that when I got stuck in that false set, it was false. You get stuck in that false set on a Ruko, you're trapped. You got nowhere to go. You can't get out of it. You can't move forward. You can't move back. You just have to reset. So that's how I spent my day yesterday. In luxury, picking locks all day. Now today, I was in the lock lab. I was making a key for a lock. So another day of luxury. This is really good for me to be able to be up and in the lock lab. So I've decided I'm going to do a quick pick Thursday. So this is this beautiful little Y110 40 that Lockmania got me. So I've just worked out how to use a new thing on the phone that increases the light. There we go. Weird as, but it works. So this one is 6.4mm shackle, 34mm body by 40mm, and this is, might as well call that 14mm. So it is a really nice little padlock to hold. What makes it really nice is these round edges. It is very comfy to hold in the hand, and because it's so thin, it also makes it comfortable to hold. Now there's no sharp edges on this, so I reckon it'd be one of those locks that'd be safe to have around little kids locking up something, and they wouldn't cut their hands on it and stuff if they grabbed hold of it. Not like some of the other locks I've presented that you could cut your steak with them. So this one I'm going to pick with a homebrew wiper blade tension tool and my homebrew little diamond. It is a little diamond. Let me go in. Now the reason why I'm picking it with the little diamond is because of this Yale keyway. Now this keyway doesn't allow for a whole lot. It's paracentric, it's on an angle. Can we see that? Can we not see that? And it's not that easy to get around, because the Ruko that I've been trying to pick also has a very similar keyway, and I've been trying to pick it with a hook and I've been struggling. But then I picked up this one and started picking it with a little diamond, and wow, the world started opening up for me. So let's get started. It's already open. Let's lock it up. Bottom of the keyway, because we've got that space there, that just fits in snug. Now what makes this such a really nice lock to pick as well is it's got spools, so you get great feedback, but it's a variable lock, and what I mean by that is you can vary your tension to all three sort of stages, from light to medium to heavy, and you still get feedback. And depending on how much counter rotation, if you want to feel that tension wrench fly back at you, you put heavy tension on it, it'll still let you set the spools. So this is a really fun lock to play around with tension on, to learn tension, to learn what the different tensions do to your spools and stuff. So we're going to start off with a little click on one, and we lose the tension wrench. So let's reset. Wedge it in there. Start again. Click on one. Click on two. 3, 4, 5. So, of course, well, they all just dropped then. So, of course, because I've got the camera on, I can't pick it to save myself. So, let's try again. Okay, false it. Counter rotation. Now, I've got pressure up against my finger, press the back one, and boom, we're in. It's that easy. It is a fun pick. Thank you so much, Lockmania, for sending this to me. This is just fantastic. Absolutely fantastic. A brilliant little lock. So I'd like to thank everyone for your support yesterday. Wasn't in a happy place when I came home from the vet. Not yesterday, the day before when I did that video. And you all got on the machine and you all sent me fabulous comments of support. Pats and kisses to Betty. Lots of love and energy sent to her. Thank you so much. You also sent me lots of funny tales about your own pets that cheered me up, made me laugh, put a smile on my face. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated. This community is wonderful. I've never known a bunch of people like you lot. Thank you so much. If you can get hold of this Y110 40, do it. It is a lot of fun. That's my first ever quick pick Thursday. Stay legal. Temptation is everywhere.